तो ऐसे बोल रहा हूँ।
अच्छा वही करना है बस सिर्फ
वो करना है बस
हो गया बस वो रैंडम शॉट हेलो रुपेश हाउ आर यू Hello, my name is Bhavesh. I am from Jaipur. Recently, I completed my BTech from SKIT Jaipur. I was pursuing my BTech in computer science. Before this, I was in different domain, but then I chose Skill Horizon Cohort 2 batch.
What specific skills or experiences did you gain at Skill Horizon that help you stand out during interviews or in the job market?
Technically, I got great knowledge here, but as you all know, technical skills are not only enough to get placed into a company. So apart from technical side, we also got some of the communication skills and communication sessions. Apart from all those communication and technical, we also got to know about the BA role, QA role, and of course, and the main thing, the professionalism of a private or the corporate company.
If you had to describe Skill Horizon in one word, what would it be and why?
Yeah, and that word is the dedication. Dedication of our mentors as well as all the students or the interns who are working here, who are learning from here. It's all comprises as a one word, which is dedication.
Tell us about your placement, your role, the company, and your reaction when you got the offer.
After the Tech Elevate course, I got placed into OneShift Technologies as an associate Salesforce developer. And if we talk about the reaction, I was quite excited, I was quite nervous, and I was also feeling amazing that I'm getting a chance to start a new journey and to gain some new responsibilities and to fulfill them. So I was feeling amazing.
What advice would you give to someone who is considering Skill Horizon for their career growth?
First of all, I would like to say you should trust your mentors, you should trust the path, you should trust the Skill Horizon and all the courses related to it, because other than technical side, they will train you best in the technical side, but other than the technical side, there are many things which are required to get good opportunities in your career. So they will train you on that behalf also. But apart from this, you should also do hands-on daily. You should also revise all those things daily, and you should also focus your communication side, your confidence side. And this is the whole package which can help you to get more heights in your career. Learn today, lead tomorrow.